Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
After selling our house and traveling the country for years, we decided to build an RV home base to come back to.
Hi, I'm Goose. I'm Maverick.
Join us!
Hey Mom, what you doing?
Well, I was building a snowman with Mav. Then she ditched me. So now I'm finishing it because, you know, can't leave a job undone.
I like your 2 balls though.
Thanks.
You're missing something though.
Yeah, haha. It's supposed to be a woman snowman, or mommy snowman. And when I put the ball on top, she said, that's not real.
So are you
curving
adding
her
some
out.
voluptuousness?
I'm curving her out.
So today, instead of going for a walk and dog sledding and whatnot, we're doing a little bit of a different activity because the snow is finally getting wet enough that you can roll it and make snowmen. And what me and it's already starting to sprinkle. And what me and Goose have been working on is boom, a giant playground snow igloo. I forgot how much work making these size of structures are. Oh, I love snow falling off the trees. One of my favorite things is driving over the Mount Hood Pass and just seeing snow falling off the trees. It's beautiful. And now I get to experience that from our backyard, which is a pretty cool thing. How's it going in there, girls?
Good. I left a little hole so we can see out.
Nice.
And we got some light.
Mav, what are you doing? Hey, look over here, out your
Dad.
window. Yeah.
I think we're gonna need some wood for right there or another giant snowball.
Okay. We got some structural inconsistencies apparently. So it goes all the way around. Goes all the way up. You don't want to keep the skylight, is what you're saying?
Uh-huh. This is definitely gonna be anti-Christine.
I'm a little bit nervous because, as you guys probably know, we just built our roof and put our tin on and whatnot. But this is by far more snow than I thought we were going to have on it within like 48 hours of finishing the roof. Like, I know you can't tell from here, but that's about 2 feet of snow sitting on top of our roof right there. I've already swept off our trailer twice because I don't want 2 feet of snow on our slides. But I'm a little nervous about our roof. I mean, so far so good, but I'm not going to lie, a little nervous. What you eating, love? What is that?
No,
Did you get a bloody nose? Did you get a bloody nose?
isn't blood.
Oh, what is it?
That stuff.
Oh, I thought it was a bloody nose, but it's raspberry flavoring. All right, guys, we finished our igloo. What do you think? I think it turned out pretty cool. What do you think, Mav? You like it?
Yummy.
Yummy, the snow's the best part. All right, you ready to go get some hot chocolate and warm up?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna go get some hot chocolate. You can keep sledding. Trust me, the snow will be here tomorrow and it'll be doubled in size. We are supposed to get another 8 to 14 inches tonight, and what I am gonna do before we go inside is actually climb up on the rig and just kind of sweep it off because I don't want a foot of snow on top of our RV. I'm a little nervous about the house since, you know, we built the roof and all, but definitely want the RV to be protected.
Alright, this is what we do when we have snow upon snow and we're snowed in.
Ready?
And it's a birthday.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish. Make a wish.
You gotta blow hard.
Get closer. Get closer.
Whoa!
Yay! High
High
five.
five. Who's close to my pillow?
Oh. We're watching a movie, having a movie day, having cupcakes in a cup, and celebrating this little one, all while having snackies
Is this too hot?
and getting snowed in. Woohoo!
This is a place, it's a place of hunger.
Good girl. Go,
It is a
Steffi,
place
go.
full of grace and wonder.
Go, go, go.